Hey guys, I'm Shiv from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video on Oppo Find X2. Today Oppo reschedules Find X2 event to March 6 according to a report from GSM Arena. As we all know, earlier Oppo set an event in MWC 2020, but due to coronavirus outbreak, the event was cancelled. Anyway, Oppo's new invitation has been leaked, so the Oppo Find X2 officially unveiled on March 6, and we can expect Oppo's new smartwatch, which is leaked in few days before. Earlier, Find X2 has been spotted on the Vietnamese retail site, revealing almost all specifications. So the Oppo Find X2 tipped to sport 6.5-inch OLED 2K Plus display with an ultra-clear screen with AMOLED panel and Gorilla Glass 6 protection. There is no support for the microSD card, but you get 8GB RAM and 56GB storage options according to the listing. Runs on Android 10 and supports dual SIM slots. On the back, according to this listing, the Oppo Find X2 is tipped to sport a triple rear camera setup with a Sony IMX689 48MP main camera, a 13MP secondary camera and an 8MP tertiary lens with support for dual tone flash, EIS and other features. Further, a 32MP front camera was included. The Oppo Find X2 features to pack a 4065 mAh battery and 3.5mm audio jack, which also support face unlock according to this listing. Earlier rumor revealed wireless charging on Oppo Find X2, which can support 30W fast wireless charging and 65W wired charging. Besides, the phone also will support the next generation 5G network. Oppo Find X2 Pro appeared on Geekbench with the codename CPH 2025, which is confirmed to come with an Android 10, Snapdragon 865 processor and 12GB RAM option. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 series in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I am Ashkar from Hashtag.